In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new payment method to your Apple account using an iPhone or any iOS device. We'll look at adding new bank or credit cards, deleting old ones that you no longer use, and then sorting the order in which you prefer to use them. While we're in this section, you can also change your default shipping address, so we'll look at that too. To get started, have your new card or account info ready, and then open the Settings app. At the top, select your name with Apple ID, iCloud, Media, and Purchases. Inside of here in the top section, tap on Payment and Shipping. If this is the first time you're opening this option, you may need to log into your Apple ID account, or if Face ID is set up, you can use that. Here, you'll then see a list of the payment methods that you've already added to your Apple account. These may be cards that you added when you first set up your Apple ID or your device. To add a new card or an account, tap Add Payment Method. If you use Apple Cash, then it may automatically find it at the top, along with any other cards that you may use in your wallet. To add a new one not listed here though, select the option below. If it's a bank debit card or credit card, choose the first option. You can also add a PayPal account if you'd like. Once you make your choice, fill in all the info from the dropdown. Once you add your card info, make sure that the billing address matches at the bottom. If not, just choose billing address and then make any updates. When you're finished, just tap Done and then confirm your new card. If in the future you want to remove any payment method, just head back into the Payment and Shipping menu and then choose the card or the account from the list. Once you're on the card's info page, tap Remove at the bottom and then again on the pop-up to confirm. It will then remove the payment method that you've chosen from your Apple ID. You can also change the preferred order of cards that Apple uses. Back on the Payment and Shipping page again, tap Edit on the top right. You can then select and drag the cards in the order that you'd like. You also have the option of deleting payment methods in here as well. Just tap the red minus button to the left of the card. When you're finished, tap Done. And finally, Apple has also put the shipping address associated with your account in here too. To make any changes to that, just tap the shipping address at the bottom, make any updates that you need to make, and when you're finished, tap Done on the top right. And that's how you add, delete, or edit payment methods on your iPhone or iOS device.